Hello guys, hello friend. Hope you're having a great day today. Today is Sunday, June 5th, 2022. I have a quick update for you from EminiFX. Now, this is not from the receivership. This is from the admin folks over at the Telegram group of EminiFX. If you don't want to listen to me read this, you can pause your video as I scroll down here for you, so you can read what they're saying here. And like I said, this message is from one of the admins over at EminiFX, and his name is Gene. So this is the update for those of you who wants to pause the video and read it yourself, so you don't have to listen to me read something. And once again, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much to everyone who has shared and liked and comment. A big thank you for all of you. And if you have not done so, please do so for more content. And before I go about reading this update today that was sent on June 1st, I just wanted to make sure that everyone understands that I do not work for EminiFX. I'm just a guy trying to keep everyone updated on the process, as I am also one of the people who invested in that platform. So I would say that, and hopefully that everyone is waiting, or everyone wants the same thing out of this investigation, which is justice. If the CEO is guilty of all the charges and all the allegations, I want justice to preside, and that he pays for what he did. And also, if he's innocent, I want justice to preside as well, and that an innocent man does not go to prison. But like I said in my other videos, we will let the law do its thing and hope and pray that everything goes according to plan, according to the truth, and the case gets resolved as soon as possible. And we will know if this platform will come back, or if the platform will end, and how the investors can recoup their money from the receivership. Okay, and this is the first update that was sent from Gene on the 1st to Telegram. It seems like maybe people are asking for information. I'm not sure why, but it reads, please be careful that you do not share or give your personal information to anyone. It seems like they have been notified that some individuals are trying to take advantage of some of the club members of EminiFX. So they're asking you to not share your name, address, social security card or number, date of birth, email. Basically, nothing should not be shared to anyone. So they're asking you to stay vigilant and be watchful that you don't share any information. The other update is basically about the CEO and how he's feeling at the moment. Prior to the other case hearing, we know that there was a court hearing a couple weeks ago, where they said in that Telegram chat that he was able to prove to the judge where the funds are that he was allegedly accused of not using appropriately, that he was able to show where those funds are, and that he is no longer on house arrest, because he also made the case that he was not able to pay the security guard, because there were conditions set when he first got arrested, and after he got out on bond, he was placed on house arrest. So he still was not really free to do certain things. And I guess according to all the points that he made, they accorded him, or they granted him that he could go home on bail bond at the moment, and work with his team, his legal team. That way they could start representing him in the next court hearing. And we know that there is a court hearing here from the receivership, we know they had postponed one of the court hearings till the 7th of June here. As you can see here, it was supposed to happen on the 24th. It didn't happen. So this one's supposed to happen on the 7th here of June at 1 p.m. So today's the 5th, so 2 more days. I guess that is this Tuesday coming is going to court for that. So let's see here. This update is basically saying that he is in good spirit and very thankful that a lot of the club members showed up in court, and they are talking about the hearing that happened on the 26th. And for those of you who may not be familiar, remember I believe he has 2 cases against him, one civil and one criminal. So you might be wondering why there are so many court dates. So that might be the reason. I'm not sure for sure. I don't know for sure, but it may be the reason that they have several court dates at the moment. So he's in good spirit, and he thanks everyone who showed up to the last hearing on the 26th. He thanks everyone who drove from Texas, Florida, Georgia, and whatever state that you might have drove from. He thanks you. He said as members, we are everywhere, and EminiFX has been changing our lives for the better. We may be going through the storm right now, but after the storm and the rain comes the sunshine. He's saying that when he was released, the guard, that's just a story about how the guard was also a member of the club, and stuff like that. Like I said, you can read it yourself. You can pause the video so you can read it, saying that he's in good hands, that he's working with his legal team, that he takes it seriously that 62,000 members trusted him with their money, and he's not going to betray that trust, meaning that he's working with his legal team so that they can prove that he's actually not guilty. And he's saying pray for him, pray for his team, prosecutors, attorneys, judges who are all involved in this case, and also the members. That way everything goes according to the truth, like we were saying. If this man is innocent, we all want him to be proven innocent and continue his life. But also, if this man is guilty of doing this, we also want him to pay for what he did and get a lawful sentence according to the law. So this is basically the update we have. Like I said, there is a hearing tomorrow on Tuesday, on the 7th of June. So we will keep updated and see if we can get any update for you. But in the meantime, we thank you for watching. Thank you for everyone again who subscribe and like and share our videos. Once again, if you do not want to, you can pause the video so you can read the message that this admin sent in the group. Again, thank you guys for watching. You have a great day. Bye.